my name is Vivi and I'm a registered dietitian in the Child Care Health Program with Public Health Seattle and King County. I'm here to talk about introducing solid foods to infants. Usually around 6 months, we see babies showing cues and signs that tell us they are developmentally ready for solids. Some of those signs are: they can sit up with support, they can hold their head steady, they close their lips over the spoon, they keep food in their mouth and swallow it, they begin using an up and down chewing motion, and they show interest in others eating. Remember that all babies are different. Some might be developmentally ready before, at, or after 6 months. Make sure to talk about this with your pediatrician before starting solids. The most important thing about those first foods is to make sure that they are soft, nutrient-dense foods. For example, iron fortified cereals, mashed carrots, and beans. Remember not to give cereal in the bottle. Always give cereal by spoonfuls. Also, it is a good idea to offer your baby the foods your family eats. And remember, they must be age-appropriate, soft, and nutritious foods. Now, let's talk about those foods you can offer babies at this stage. Iron-fortified baby cereals, for example, barley, oatmeal, rice. High-protein foods such as mashed meats, legumes. Examples of those are beans, peas, lentils, and chickpeas. Between 6 to 8 months, some infants will be at the next developmental stage and they can sit without support. They begin to chew by moving food around their mouth. They can sip from a cup with help, and they can grasp and hold onto things. At this stage, it is important to offer a variety of foods from all food groups. I'm talking about vegetables, fruits, grains, meat, protein, and dairy. Add textures slowly, moving from puree to mashed. Remember, your baby is learning about solids. There is no need to add sugar or salt to their foods. Start offering small amounts of water in a cup for practice. And keep in mind, juice is not recommended for infants. Offer breast milk or formula in a cup with meals. The baby will still take the breast milk or bottle for further nutrition and comfort. From 9 to 12 months, the developmental patterns are: can pick up finger foods and put them into their mouth. They can hold a cup while sipping. They can grab fork and hold a spoon. They develop a more mature chewing pattern and they show improved balance while sitting. Start offering well-cooked table foods that the family eats. Allow the baby to self-feed and learn about foods. Let them explore how food feels in their mouth and hands, how it smells, and how it tastes. It's going to be messy, but it is part of their learning process. Finally, some foods to avoid during the first year include no honey or products containing honey, no hard fruits or raw vegetables, no hard candy or gummy bears or marshmallows, no popcorn, no hot dogs or link sausage. For a more comprehensive list of all these foods, please visit our website www.kingcounty.gov/childcare under Nutrition and Food Safety, Preventing Choking.